Hi, this is a $300 boat from Tractor Supply. 10 feet long, lifetime angler. Pretty simple, straightforward. Sit on top, paddle included, off you go, catch yourself some bass or whatever else you're looking for. This is $300 spent on Facebook Marketplace. 14-foot 1972 Sears semi V-hull. It came with a Minn Kota Edge, 45 foot-pound, with control, an all welded aluminum subframe for the casting deck, main deck, and rear deck. It came with a Minn Kota Deckmate electric anchor system. It came with 3 fishing rod holders, Berkeley's. There's the pedestal. It came with a set of oars. It came with trolling motors, the Minn Kota Edge and the Minn Kota Turbo. Both work, although the Minn Kota needs some screws replaced and some cleaning. Nav lights, running lights, underwater lights, deck lights built in, everything here is what you got. Welded aluminum square frame. Not TIG, TIGged, not soldered, not brazed, not riveted. And there's no leaks. It passed the water test. Replacing the switches. Oh, and it also came with marine batteries, 2 deeps, interstates, and an X-side. They all hold charges. So 300 or 300 and paddle.